Okay, we will continue the same problem in the previous video, that is a non-square matrix. We will continue the same problem. We have here the 4 rows, 5 rows and 6 columns. So you add one dummy row here, 0 0 0. So first step is to make a square matrix. Then second step is subtract minimum values in each rows. So in first row the minimum element is 8, you subtract 8 from all other elements in first row. In second row the minimum value is 10, you subtract 10 from all other elements in the second row. Similarly you can do this calculation, then you will get the values. Okay, to put the values in each and every cell. So first A is, that is 4, 2, then 7, in this way. Okay, once you complete this, now you do assignment. In previous lecture we discussed the how to assign here. So first row you assign the last value 0, you make assignment here, and other zeros are make cross. Then in second row you assign this 0, and corresponding row there is no 0, but in column 2 zeros are there, you cross it. In third row if you find here 0, you assign this, and the corresponding there is no 0 in that same row, but in column there is a 0, you make it cross. Fourth row there is only one 0, but it is already crossed. In fifth row there is 1 0, you assign this, and corresponding other zeros make it cross, but in row there is no 0, but in column there is 0. Similarly in the last row there is a 0, you assign, and other zeros in same column or row, you find 1 0 here, you cross it. Okay, in this way assignment. But when you assign this, you will find only 5 assignments, but it is 6 by 6 matrix, so it is not optimum. So to find optimum, so which is not unassigned row, so unassigned row is this, so you choose this. In the same row if you find 0, you mark that column also. So you find here 0, so you mark this column. Okay, in the mark column, if any 0 with assignment, yes, then you mark that row. Okay, in this way you do the marking, here. Once you marking, so you draw the lines, minimum number of lines. How to draw minimum number of lines? So unmarked row you can draw the lines. Okay, so 2 rows are marked, so 4 lines you can draw, and marked column you can draw a line. So only one marked column is there, first column, so you draw that line. So total number of lines are 5, but assignments required 6. That's why it is current feasible solution is not optimal. Then what to do? The elements where dotted lines are not passed, so you can see the elements here, 8, 15, 5, 6 and 2. These are the elements. Similarly 8, 4, 7 and 6. So these are some elements where lines are not passing. So you find minimum value out of these 10 elements. So what is the minimum value here? It is 2 is a minimum value. You choose this 2 and subtract it from all other elements. So 2 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 15 minus 2, 8 minus 2. The elements which are free from any marking you choose. So you subtract 2 from all these 10 elements. Also where there are lines, at the intersection of these lines, how many intersections are there? So this horizontal line and this vertical line. So here there is intersection, here there is one more intersection, and here there is intersection. Total 3 intersections are there. You add this 2 value at the intersection point. Here 4 plus 2, here you will get 4 plus 2, then here at the center 8 plus 2, and here at E 1 plus 2. In this way you add, and remaining values keep as it is. Okay, so once you do this, you will get this type of table. You will get this type of table. Okay. Now again you iterate, apply the same procedure. See here, every row consists of 0 or not? Yes. Every column consists of 0 or not? Yes. Now you start assigning. So consider first row, there is 1 0. If there is 1 0, you assign, and all other zeros in the same column or row, you mark it as a cross. Then second row, you find here 1 free 0, you assign this, other zeros in the same row or column are crossed. Third row, you find here 0, you assign, other zeros make cross. Then fourth, so already it is crossed. In fifth row, you find 0 here, you make it cross. Okay, and then sixth demi column, you mark here 0, and other zeros are make cross. In this way you can do the assignment. Here also you find only 5 assignments are there. The further procedure is required as it is not optimal solution. Okay, as it is not optimal solution, so mark the row which is unassigned. So here this row is unassigned, so you mark this row, D row, you mark. Okay, in the same row, if you find 0, yes, you find 0 here, choose that column and mark that column. Okay, the column which I have chosen, in that column you find any assignment, yes, there is assignment, then you choose that row for marking. In that row, is any other 0? Yes, there is a 0, then you choose that column also. Okay, you choose that column and mark. In that column, is there any assignment? Yes, there is assignment, then you choose that row and mark. Okay, in this way you find here total 6 marking lines, 6 markings. So 3 row, total 5 markings. Okay, first row, A row, B row and D, 3 rows are marked, and 2 columns, first and 6th column are marked. Okay, now you draw the minimum number of lines. So you draw lines where you draw lines for unmarked row. So third row is not marked, so you draw line. Third row is not marked, so you draw line. Then fifth row is not marked, so you draw line here also. Okay, and you draw few more lines where mark column, so mark column you draw lines. So total lines 4, and total number of assignments required 6. So it is less than 6, so it is not optimal, it is not an optimal solution. So further iteration is required. So you find the elements where lines are not passing. Where are these elements? These are some elements, these are some elements, these are some elements where lines not passed, lines not covered. You find the smallest element among these. Which is the smallest element? 2. You choose 2. Okay, 2 minus 2, 7 minus 2, 14 minus 2, 10 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 13 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 5 minus 2 and 5 minus 2. And at the intersection here at the intersection you add value 2 value you can add. Okay, after doing this you will get this type of table. Okay, you choose 2 here, you have chosen 2 here, you subtracted it from all other elements, that's why you got 0 here, and you added the same 2 value at the intersection of lines. Now you start assigning. Assign this 0, make it as a cross, assign this as a 0, make other zeros cross. Now you assign this, make other zeros cross. Now make it 0, other zeros cross, make it cross, other zeros cross. Okay, or else you can, here you can, one more way you can assign, you make it cross, you assign, make it cross, then assign, make it cross, then you can assign cross, here you can assign and make it cross. Okay, here you can see total number of assignments are 6 and total number of rows and columns are 6. Okay, in this way you can assign. So you have crossed all other zeros and 6 assignments. So it is a current phase solution is feasible as total number of assignments are 6. And the values for 6 values. So you put the basic values, initial values at that for that particular cell. And this last value is dummy. This cell is dummy, so you need not to consider the value here. Okay, and you can find the solution. Here. So that there is no row and no column without assignment. Now the third feasible solution is optimal solution, and the optimal assignment pattern is the city A should supply the vehicle to city 2, city B should be supply the vehicle to city 6, and city C should be supply the vehicle to city 3, and city D should supply the vehicle to the city 1, and city E should supply this vehicle to city 4. Okay, in this way, and the minimum distance traveled is 38 km. No truck is supplied to city 5. Okay, in this way the solution you can find. Okay, so this is about non-square matrix. We'll see one more type of problem. We'll see one more type of problem in just next video. Okay, thank you.